Hello, are you looking to secure your savings? Welcome to our step-by-step guide on setting up a fixed deposit FD account with HDFC Bank without opening a savings account. Let me take you along. Visit the HDFC Bank website to begin your FD booking process. Navigate to Deposits, choose Fixed Deposits and click on Apply Online to proceed. If you do not have a savings account with HDFC Bank, click on No to continue. Enter your personal details to start your application. Ensure you accept the terms and conditions to proceed further. Remember, enter your mobile number linked to Aadhaar and full name exactly as per PAN. Complete the identity verification process. Enter the amount you wish to deposit and select your preferred tenure. Take a moment to review all your fixed deposit details. To proceed, verify your identity using your Aadhaar or other valid documents. We suggest to select Aadhaar eKYC option to complete KYC process within minutes without visiting branch. Verify your identity by entering Aadhaar number or virtual ID. Input the OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Next, provide your personal details to know you better. You can also check Aadhaar details fetched through Aadhaar by clicking Additional Details. Confirm your email by verifying it through OTP sent. Please note that email verification is important so the bank can send FD advice directly to your mailbox. You will be redirected to the address detail page where the address details taken from Aadhaar. Provide your financial details accurately and continue to proceed ahead. Once continued, you will be asked to enter the account details from where you wish to fund the fixed deposit and also want your FD maturity amount to be deposited into. Remember, the same account to be used for funding the FD account, otherwise FD will not be booked. Your account has been successfully verified. You are just a few steps away. Add nominee details to safeguard your FD. Review all your entered details and proceed. Select the branch for your fixed deposit account. Complete the video KYC process with our representative. Video KYC is simple and convenient. Complete it from the comfort of your home in just a few easy steps. Thank you. Your KYC has been successfully completed. You are just a few steps away. You will receive a link from HDFC Bank for funding your fixed deposit account. Re-log in using your mobile number and the name entered during registration. Review your fixed deposit details once again and proceed. Choose your preferred funding method. If you are funding via UPI, follow the on-screen instructions. Your funding has been successful. Alternatively, you can fund your FD through NEFT, RTGS or IMPS by following the steps below. Congratulations! Your FD booking request has been successfully submitted.